Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to hide and unhide folder using the command prompt on Windows. So I want to hide this study folder, so I will go to this search bar and delete everything and type cmd and press enter. Now remember this command attrib plus h plus s plus r, and now file name. I want to hide study folder, so I will type study and press enter. That's it, now it's hidden. And to get this folder back, you need to type attrib minus h minus s minus r and folder name study and press enter. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to hide and unhide a folder using the command prompt on Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. See you in the next video.